Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, one of the portraiture class, and use a window light. Well, this is my subject today, and I have this pencil drawing type of image. I may not use today, but I may use tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna colorize first today for concentrating and try to add some creative color on this image, black and white image. Then let's see, I may make some light illustration or maybe oil paint or something. I'm gonna try. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then change blend mode to color. Then I'm gonna add color, no texture, brush, brushing to medium blend, medium hard blend. Yep. Then let's see, nice skin tone first. Okay, today's subject is male, so I don't do makeup, just regular skin tones. So maybe that's, well, it's not difficult, anything like that. Interesting creative color, creative image. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna use smudge tool, which is same brush texture. Well, we have a hard blend. Let's see, change blend mode back to normal. So we see the thickness of the brush, then easy to smudge. Look at this color, paint of this beard color. It's too thick, so I'm gonna smudge it to soften up some. This is out of focus on this eyeball. Around here maybe it's sharper, right? So I'm gonna bring this back to color again, and let's see, I'm gonna add one more layer for same color. Well, I'm gonna draw eyelashes here, so it's gonna be same, but the blend mode is normal. Just change names. Okay, including eyebrow and eyelashes. So I'm gonna pick some. Well, I'm gonna choose this sketching. Yeah, try pencil this time. HB. Okay, this side is out of focus, so I'm gonna smudge, draw first, then smudge. Okay, now let's see beard. Then again, smudge. Okay, now add color on color. Brushes back to medium hard blend. Okay, now let's see what color of the shirt is go well. Well, this density though looks like some. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer in between this. Okay, then maybe a little bit bluish. Okay, just paint it now, and let me see with the changing hue saturation what colors goes well with this face. Okay, it's now normal blend mode. I'm gonna change to color. Okay, I want to add one more layer this time for background. Okay, now I can think about this color is gonna be off-white or something actually usually, but I want to add some colors though this time. Some nice light color. And there is a sun color here, so give it some yellowish. And a little more nice greens on outside. And dark greens. Okay, now maybe window flame. Okay, touch smudge. Alright, overall, now shadow side. Well, shadow side. I want to go a little warm tone. Okay, this background is normal blend mode, so need to finish up with the smudge tool. Okay, overall I'm gonna touch up some his face color, some smudge tool on this color on color. Okay, and let's see, it's kind of interesting as if there is a light on this side, so hit some tungsten light or something on his ear. Let's see how it looks like. Add one more color and room light with well, little pine maybe. And a medium hard blend. Let's see with the change blend mode. Screen. Well, let it screen, and I'm gonna smudge. Okay, there's no room light or anything, but just imagination, huh? Very interesting. And here. Okay, just a little bit this way, then see overall image. Okay, I wanna add some more yellowish, this sunlight, that's background here, right? This is normal blend mode. Okay, that's now, well, there's the density I painted on here, so I'm gonna add one more layer for. Now let me see if I change blend mode to color, add some more highlight. This is sunlight. I'm adding here too because normal blend mode, just pin it on to make some density on here, then add on this blend mode color layer so it shows more colors, I think. And I'm going to erase some eraser tool, medium hard blend, but I'm going to leave some yellowish color. This time kind of play with sunlight, room light, light effect. That's interesting. That's fun. Yeah, nice to play around with some lighting. Like a room light comes from right hand side behind, just as if there is a room light. And sounds come from window, so that's kind of fun. Alright, now let me see. I need some more reddish color on this guy's, maybe hair, a little more orange-ish. Let me see, medium hard blend. Okay, then I'm gonna smudge. Okay, let me think. Now just a touch. Okay, what else? Let me see. Okay, let me check. Now this is original base image. Okay, original black and white image. Then I add color on color blend mode on model's skin tone mostly. Then I add same color blend mode shirt. Then background sunlight. Well, background first, normal blend mode to add so much. Then sunlight on color blend mode. A little more yellowish. Then I add some, well, as if there is a room light on, just add so much. Then this one doesn't change much. I think I'm not using this. Oh, almost. Okay, this is not color. This is, okay, eyelashes, eyebrows, pencil. Almost. Okay, right. Eyelashes, eyebrows, pencil, image. Oh, man, almost I'm gonna delete. That's right. This is here. Okay, now I got these images. Okay, what else? Okay, let me see about this pencil drawing type image. Then I'm gonna change blend mode to, let's see, color burn. Little more darken, color burn, linear burn. Turn into pretty interesting, I think. Overlay. Look at this. Sounds light, huh? That's cool. Then luminosity. Some subtle colors. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make some oil paint or illustration type image. From next, change this blend mode. Now it's just back to normal, then turn it off to keep it. Well, I guess that's it for colorize. Okay, well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie coloring image, black and white to color, this movie is gonna some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.